So hello everyone, today I am going to tell you what to do if your FPS are not visible. Like you can see is in the frame rate. There are no options, like you can't turn on show on screen display, but you have show on screen display in other options like GPU uses and all. It will solve your all the problems. You just need to have patience and watch the video carefully and your all problems will be gone in the MSI Afterburner. All I wanted to clarify is that this video is made specifically for the FPS problem. So if you are only wanting to solve the FPS problem, you can watch the end part, in which I am not going to tell you how you can fix it in the MSI Afterburner, but in Riva Tuner. Unfortunately, after some updates in some laptops, you can't turn it on. So first of all, you need to select your GPU. After opening the game and MSI Afterburn, you need to open those two applications, select your GPU too, and then go to the RAM and select show on screen display. And then what you need to do is apply, and you can now see that I can see my RAM on the upper left corner. So this is now you are good to go. You can set others as well, and maybe try this and you will start seeing the options. And if it is still not visible, what you can do is install Riva Tuner manually. So this will also fix your problem, but if this is not going to fix your problem, you need to watch further. You can close now the Riva Tuner MSI Afterburn and the game you opened, and open the control panel and see if you have installed the Riva Tuner and MSI Afterburn. And if you have installed both and things are not working properly, what you can do is uninstall them. But before uninstalling them, what you need to do is copy their install path where they are installed. So go search for the Riva Tuner, right click on it, and then open file location, and then copy this path and paste it in somewhere like notepad and anything. So I'm copying it in the notepad, so that after uninstalling we can delete their profiles. Do the same thing for the MSI Afterburn as well. Copy this path and paste in the notepad. Now you can install the MSI Afterburn and Riva Tuner, but trust me, you need to avoid the end part before doing all this, because the end part may solve your problem. So install the Riva Tuner. Keep in mind, click here no, not yes, because it is asking you to save the old settings. So you need to click no for the clean reinstallation process. Okay, now when it is uninstalled, click on the close. Remove the MSI Afterburn on the same way. Also click no in this one. Most people will reinstall now and their problem will be solved, but don't misunderstand that it is a clean installation. There are still some files that you need to clean. So go in the notepad and copy those paths and paste in the file manager and see if that folder exists. That means their files are still saved. Something like this will appear and it is good. So it will appear for both of them. Check them and then go and clear their profile folders. There are still something that you need to clear. Okay, so don't worry. Once you are done checking, click on the this PC, then C drive, then go in the program files 86 folder, and then find the folder of MSI Afterburn. Check there are profiles, so delete it permanently. So click shift delete, so delete it. Do the same for the Riva Tuner folder. Use same shift delete key for permanently deleting this folder as well, so that now you have new profiles, clean installation of both of the applications. So now it should work perfectly. And if it still doesn't working for you, I have another solution, don't worry. But first of all, let's reinstall, download them from the internet. MSI Afterburn, the Riva Tuner will automatically come with it. So now search for the MSI Afterburn. You can install from the first link. So you can download final or beta version. I am downloading the beta. It doesn't make any change, so I have downloaded it. Now extract it, and you will find the exe file to install, and then install that exe file. So when you are installing it, remove the Notron 360 option, and do not remove click from the Riva Tuner, because you need to install the Riva Tuner with it to work properly. Click on the OK. Now on the next, now accept, and then next. Now do not remove the Riva Tuner and click the next. Now next, now install. Now after complete installation, it will show the Riva Tuner installation. Do not cancel it, also install it. Accept the same way and then install it. Okay, when it is completely installed, now it may look completely different depending on you install the final version or the beta version, but it doesn't matter. Click on the setting, select your GPU, go on the monitoring setting, and then change so on display settings. But as you can see, my frame rates are still not visible. So what can I do? I am guessing that 90% of you have already fixed the problem by doing the same thing I did. But if you are still facing the problem, now you can't fix it from the MSI Afterburn. Now you have to go manually to the Riva tuner and add your games manually there. But before doing that, go to the your Nvidia app and then click the overlay off, Nvidia overlay off, because it can solve your problem. Now again check your problem if it is still there. So my new random meet my brother, this is now the video where it starts, the actual problem starts. It's problem with your software, not the software you installed. The rig you are holding have the problem. So now what you need to do is directly go into the Riva tuner. For doing that, you need to click on this weird icon. Now here you will solve your problem. What you need to do is add your games manually here, because now MSI Afterburn for some reason is not adding your games here, because that's how MSI Afterburn show the FPS. So you need to know the location of the game where you have put it in. So okay, you can see the background, there is lost in play named game. So I will show you what to do. You need to find that. After clicking the green add button, you will open the file manager in the game. So you need to find that here. So you exactly need to know where the location of that file is. So I am going to right click on it and then go to the open file location. Then I will see it is in the OS and then games name folder, then lost in play, then lost in play. So I will cut it, then I will go to the here, then I will go in the OS, and then I will find the games folder, and then I will find the lost in play, and then I will open the again lost in play, and then I will click it and I will open it. Now you can see that it is added. Now what you need to do is chill and open the game, because the game is now added into the Riva tuner. Now you can see the FPS are visible on the upper left corner, but here you are only seeing the FPS. So what you need to do to add other things is open MSI Afterburn and then go in the settings as usual. Once you open the settings, go in the monitoring and then check that if your FPS are visible. No, they won't be visible. It is the problem with your device. I don't know how to fix it, but it won't be visible. So what you now need to do is add games manually. When you only open the Riva tuner and add games into it, it will only say FPS like now it is showing. But if you go and open the MSI Afterburn and all your settings are set, you can see the GPU and CPU as well. So it is totally up to you how you want to now do it. I have solved your problem. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if this video helped you, because this is the only way if nothing is working for you. So thanks, me later. Fix your rig. Bye.